Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you what's inside this Roundhouse 50-foot modern mill gondola. I think that's what it says. It's for the Buffalo and Pittsburgh Railroad. I got it at the Central Florida Railroad Modelers. So here's one bag. Got the wheels, couplers, screws, brake wheels, brake detail, and other sort of stuff. Some paper. We've got the bottom lower frame. We've got the main gondola piece, which is a bit dusty, but obviously yours will not be that bad if you get one of these. And then you've got the weight, which is bent, but you obviously can strain the weight. And then here we have the instructions. It's a very simple kit. That's all it is. And that's it. Bye-bye.